Everyone. Today I'll be discussing a critical challenge in modern software development, how human and AI reasoning works together to build secure systems. This presentation synthesizes findings from five peer-reviewed studies conducted between 2022 and 2025. Our main finding is clear. Security doesn't come from replacing humans with AI, but comes from creating effective synergy between the two. Let me set the context. Software vulnerabilities continue to rise every single year. Despite improvement in detection tools, we can see from this chart that CVEs have increased consistently from 2020 through 2024. Traditional static analysis tools are rule-based, which means they struggle with code-based patterns they haven't seen before. Meanwhile, AI models like GitHub Copilot produces productivity, but they can also generate insecure codes. This creates a fundamental tension we need to address. Research has three primary objectives. First, evaluate how human-AI collaboration affects secure coding outcomes. Second, compare LLM-based tools against traditional static analysis security tools. And third, identify which developer behavior actually influences security performance. We did a comparative literature review across five studies. Our approach used mixed method including experimental, observational, and qualitative analysis. The focuses area covered cryptographic misuse, AI coding assistance, developer cognition, and developer engagement with security practices. We benchmarked GPT-4o Mini and other LLMs against static crypto misuse detection. The result was striking. LLMs achieved a 93.5 F2 score compared to CryptoGuard's 83.9%. We also introduced two new evaluation metrics, actionability and specificity, which measures how useful the security findings actually are to developers. Second study introduces mutation-based testing for crypto API misuse detector. Using 12 mutation operators across multiple test scopes, we discovered 19 previously unknown flaws across 9 different security tools. This chart shows the unique flaw found by each tool, highlighting that even our best tool have significant blind spots. Study 3 analyzed 1689 security solutions generated by GitHub Copilot. The results were concerning. 40% contained vulnerabilities such as weak cryptography and SQL injection flaw. We also observed automation bias, where developer overtrusted AI outputs without adequate verification. This distribution shows that only a small portion of AI-generated code met high security standards. The fourth study examined 94 developer teams in the Build It, Break It, Fix It competition. Here's the key finding. 78% of vulnerability arises from conceptual misunderstanding. However, team collaboration and communication significantly reduces security risk. This tells us that the human element remains absolutely critical. Our fifth study interviewed 30 professional developers about participating in research. The main barriers were time constraint, fear of failure, and company restriction. The motivator included opportunity for learning, flexible schedules, and recognition. Understanding this factor is crucial for improving security education and engagement. This visualization compares the research focus across all five studies. What we see is that the LLMs offer strong automation and scalability, but low interpretability. Human factors, on the other hand, are essential for conceptual and practical understanding. The hybrid approach maximizes both performance and precision. Let me summarize our three core insights. First, AI enhances detection coverage but lacks full interpretability. Second, developers' psychology and collaboration are what actually drives secure outcomes. And third, security emerged through balanced automation and human reasoning, not from one or the other alone. Illustrates the synergy between AI and human contribution. LLMs outperform static tools in detecting novel misuse cases. Human misunderstanding remains the main source of vulnerability. But here's what matters. The best outcomes are achieved through hybrid human and AI collaboration, where each compensates for the other's limitation. To conclude, the evidence is clear. The future of secure software development lies not in AI versus humans, but in AI and human working together. Thank you for your attention.